Hello, 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 and welcome back to the City of English. I am your host, Zach, and today is going to be a great day for your English. If this is your very first time here, welcome to the family. And if you are a returning listener, welcome back, my friend. I missed you. So what is the City of English? This is a place, a city actually, where English is spoken every single day. A city where grammar is not scary. A city where you learn English the way real people speak it, naturally, confidently, and with a smile. We talk about real life here. We talk about going to work, making friends, ordering coffee, handling problems, real situations, and we do it all in English. Now, before we go further, I need to ask you one very important favor. If you are watching this on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button right now. Just click it. One click. It takes 2 seconds. And that one click tells YouTube, hey, this channel is good. Show it to more people. So please subscribe. It helps this channel grow. It helps more people learn English. And if you are feeling generous today, like extra generous, hit the like button too. The like button is like a high five to me. I feel it every time. I really do. And share this video with a friend who is also learning English, because learning together is always better than learning alone. Are you ready? Let us begin. Today's topic is grammar. Now, I know what you're thinking. Zach, grammar? Really? That sounds boring. But wait, stay with me for one moment, because today we are not doing boring grammar. Today we are doing real grammar. Grammar that you can use today. Grammar for real conversations. Grammar for real life. Here's a truth about English. You do not need perfect grammar to speak good English. You need simple grammar used correctly. Short sentences, clear sentences, natural sentences. That is all you need to communicate powerfully in English. So, today, I'm going to teach you simple sentence structures, and then we are going to repeat them together, because repetition is the mother of fluency. Say something once, you know it. Say something 10 times, you own it. And when you own it, you speak it automatically, without thinking. That's our goal today. We will cover 6 grammar areas today. 1. The verb to be, your most important verb. 2. Simple present tense, your everyday sentences. 3. Simple past tense, talking about yesterday. 4. Going to, talking about your future plans. 5. Questions, how to ask anything in English. And 6. Everyday phrases, grammar in action. Repeat after Zach. To be sentences. 1. I am happy today. I am happy today. I am a student. I am a student. I am not tired. I am not tired. You are very smart. You are very smart. You are my friend. You are my friend. He is a good person. He is a good person. She is very kind. She is very kind. He is my brother. He is my brother. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. We are a team. We are a team. We are learning English. We are learning English. They are very busy. They are very busy. They are from another country. They are from another country. It is a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. It is not easy, but it is possible. It is not easy, but it is possible. The simple present tense. The simple present tense is for things you do every day. Your habits, your routines, your normal life. The structure is easy. Subject plus verb plus object. Example, I drink coffee every morning. Example, she works at a hospital. Example, they love watching movies. One important rule. With he, she, or it, add an S to the verb. I drink, he drinks. I work, she works. I love, it loves. Repeat after me. Simple present sentences. 16. I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Repeat after Zach. Simple present sentences. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I drink water every morning. I drink water every morning. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon. I check my phone every morning. I check my phone every morning. She drinks coffee every day. She drinks coffee every day. He works very hard. He works very hard. She loves her family. She loves her family. He listens to music on the train. He listens to music on the train. It rains a lot here in summer. It rains a lot here in summer. We eat dinner together as a family. We eat dinner together as a family. We speak English at work. We speak English at work. They live in a big city. They live in a big city. They study English every night. They study English every night. I do not watch TV in the morning. I do not watch TV in the morning. She does not eat meat. She does not eat meat. He does not like cold weather. He does not like cold weather. We do not have a car. We do not have a car. They do not understand the question. They do not understand the question. I always try my best. I always try my best. Yes! That is your daily life in perfect simple present English. These sentences are not just grammar exercises, they are your life. Use them, own them, speak them. Simple past tense. The simple past tense is for things that happened before now, yesterday, last week, this morning, 1 hour ago. The structure is subject plus past verb plus object. Example, I ate breakfast this morning. Example, she called me yesterday. Example, they watched the movie last night. For negative sentences, use did not plus base verb. I did not eat. She did not call. They did not watch. Repeat after me. Simple past sentences. I woke up early this morning. I woke up early this morning. I had a great day yesterday. I had a great day yesterday. I ate rice for dinner last night. I ate rice for dinner last night. I walked to the store this afternoon. I walked to the store this afternoon. I called my mother on Sunday. I called my mother on Sunday. She went to the doctor yesterday. She went to the doctor yesterday. He worked late last night. He worked late last night. She bought a new jacket last week. She bought a new jacket last week. He forgot his keys this morning. He forgot his keys this morning. We visited a new restaurant last Friday. We visited a new restaurant last Friday. They played football in the park. They played football in the park. We talked for 2 hours on the phone. We talked for 2 hours on the phone. I did not go to work yesterday. I did not go to work yesterday. She did not eat breakfast this morning. She did not eat breakfast this morning. They did not finish the project on time. They did not finish the project on time. It was a long day, but I survived. It was a long day, but I survived. We were very tired after the trip. We were very tired after the trip. The weather was perfect last weekend. The weather was perfect last weekend. I learned something new today. I learned something new today.
She smiled and said, "Thank you so much." She smiled and said, "Thank you so much." You are speaking about the past. That is incredible. Your story, your life in English. Do you feel the difference? Going to. Your future plans. Now, let us talk about your future. In English, one of the easiest ways to talk about future plans is going to. Structure. Subject plus am, is, are, plus going to, plus base verb. Example. I am going to study tonight. Example. She is going to cook dinner. Example. They are going to travel to Canada. Repeat after me going to sentences. I am going to wake up early tomorrow. I am going to study English every day. I am going to cook dinner tonight. I am going to call my friend after work. I am going to save more money this year. She is going to start a new job next month. He is going to visit his family this weekend. She is going to learn how to drive. He is going to watch the football game tonight. We are going to work hard on this project. They are going to move to a new apartment. We are going to celebrate this weekend. I am not going to give up. She is not going to come to the party. They are not going to be late. Your future is in your own words. Beautiful. Just like that, you're talking about tomorrow. This is one of the most useful grammar structures in everyday English. Use it. Asking questions in English. One skill that will change your English forever. Asking questions. When you can ask questions confidently, conversations become easy. You take control. You keep the conversation going. The two basic question types, yes/no questions, do you, are you, is she here, did he, WH questions, what, where, when, who, why, how. Repeat after me question sentences. Are you okay? Are you ready? Is she here? Is everything all right? Do you speak English? Do you like this city? Do you need help? Does he work here? Does she know about this? Did you eat breakfast? Did she call you? Did he finish the work? What is your name? What do you do for work? What time is it? Where are you from? Where do you live? When does the class start? Who is your English teacher? How are you doing today? How do you say this in English? How much does this cost? Why are you learning English? Why did you choose this job? Why did you choose this job? Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? Questions are your superpower in conversation. Memorize these question patterns and use them every single day. English conversations become easy when you know how to ask. Part 8. Everyday phrases. Grammar in action. Now let us put grammar into real life. These are sentences you can use today at work, at home, with friends, at a store. This is English in action. At home, repeat after Zach. Good morning. How did you sleep? Good morning. How did you sleep? I am going to make breakfast now. I am going to make breakfast now. Did you see my phone? Did you see my phone? I am ready. Let's go. I am ready. Let's go. I will be home by 7. I will be home by 7. What do you want for dinner? What do you want for dinner? I am so tired today. I am so tired today. Let me help you with that. Let me help you with that. Can you please turn off the light? Can you please turn off the light? I love spending time with you. I love spending time with you. At work, repeat after me. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Are you ready for the meeting? Are you ready for the meeting? I have a question about this task. I have a question about this task. Can you explain that again, please? Can you explain that again, please? I will send you the report by email. I will send you the report by email. I finished the project. What is next? I finished the project. What is next? I need more time for this. I need more time for this. Let me check and get back to you. Let me check and get back to you. I agree with your idea. I agree with your idea. Thank you for your help today. Thank you for your help today. At a store or restaurant, repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? I would like a coffee, please. I would like a coffee, please. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? I am looking for the exit. I am looking for the exit. Could I get the bill, please? Could I get the bill, please? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? I will take this one, thank you. I will take this one, thank you. Have a great day. Have a great day. With friends, repeat after Zach. Hey, long time no see. Hey, long time no see. How have you been? How have you been? What are you up to this weekend? What are you up to this weekend? Do you want to hang out later? Do you want to hang out later? That is so funny. I love it. That is so funny. I love it. Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? No way. That's amazing. No way. That's amazing. I totally agree with you. I totally agree with you. You are such a good friend. You are such a good friend. Let's do this again soon. Let's do this again soon. More sentence patterns for fluency. We are going deeper now. These sentence patterns will make your English sound natural, like someone who has been speaking for years. Sentences with I think, sharing opinions. I think English is very useful. I think English is very useful. I think this city is beautiful. I think this city is beautiful. I think you are doing a great job. I think you are doing a great job. I think we need more practice. I think we need more practice. I think it's going to rain today. I think it's going to rain today. My friend, look at what you just did. You practiced 300 sentences today. You practiced grammar, not from a boring textbook, but from real life. You repeated sentences until they felt natural, and you did it in the city of English. That's not small, that's huge. Most people think about learning English. You actually did it. Now here's your homework. Pick 10 sentences from today, just 10. Say them out loud every morning this week. Use at least one sentence in a real conversation today. One sentence is enough to start. And one more thing, please. Subscribe to the City of English on YouTube. Hit the like button if this helped you. Share this video with one friend who's learning English. Leave a comment below. Tell me, which sentence was your favorite today?